Hello, Yamina Collins. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking with you about brows, specifically red tinted brows, which are one of my favorite everyday brow looks to wear. I feel like it opens up my eyes, it brightens the face, and it takes my look from this heavier dark brow look to this. Now, it's a subtle difference, but that's actually why I like it. It's so subtle, in fact, I can wear it every day. I could even wear it, say, when I'm putting on green eye makeup and a yellow blouse. But before I go ahead and show you this simple 30-second trick to tint your brows, I want to briefly discuss why my eyebrows are slightly messy. Of course, the bottom parts of my brows are cleaned up, but the tops are just a little bit messy, and I prefer it that way, and I'll tell you why. When you think of younger people, younger children, whether they're boys or girls or black or white, their eyebrows are full and they're messy. They're not as neat as they are once we get older. And of course, as women, once we start to age, even once we get into our teens and our 20s, we clean them up, we pluck them to death, we make them so perfectly straight and neat that I feel like it appears as if we're trying too hard. And I think that has an aging effect. In fact, one of my favorite eyebrow wearers, if I can say that, is, remember Brooke Shields from the 1980s, the early 1980s. Now, she's in her 50s now and she still has great thick brows. But when she was younger, she had these really full, beautiful brows, and they were slightly messy, and I just thought, oh, that is such a great look. It was so beautiful, and I think it's beautiful to this day. So that's why I keep my eyebrows just slightly messy at the top, just to kind of give it a more youthful look. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how I tint my brows. So it's really simple. All I do is I take glitter, these NYX pigments. This one is a red copper pigment, and I just go ahead and I add it to this little spoolie. And of course I just take it and start to just blend it into the brow. And you just do it. You can have it as red copper as you want or as subtle as you want. And you just do it obviously from one brow to the next. Like I said, it literally is going to take you like 30 or 45 seconds. And then you can clean up whatever else you want to clean up on the brow. And then that's it. So go ahead, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.